Are you ready to step into the future with Samsung's Galaxy S24 series? Join us as we unravel the secrets of the upcoming flagship that's set to redefine smartphones in 2024. Discover the critical decisions that will shape its performance, specifications, and launch date. Don't miss out on this exclusive sneak peek into the future of Samsung Galaxy. Stay tuned. So Samsung insiders reveal 3 game-changing decisions for the upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra. Samsung's forthcoming Galaxy S24 series is poised to redefine flagship smartphones in 2024. As the launch nears, 3 pivotal decisions have emerged that will shape the future of the Samsung Galaxy. These 3 crucial decisions revolve around the fundamental specifications, the choice of chipset, and the launch timeline, factors that determine the daily operation of the handset, its peak performance, and when it will be available to consumers. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. I upload new videos every week on technology, gaming, education, and more. Join the community and hit the bell icon to never miss a video. See you next time. Firstly, let's discuss the basic specifications of the handsets. Various networks globally have posted model numbers and options, so barring a last-minute exclusive in Samsung's own store, here are your options. The Galaxy S24 will be equipped with 8GB of RAM and offer either 128GB or 256GB of storage. The Galaxy S24 Plus will feature 12GB of RAM and either 256GB or 512GB of storage, and the Galaxy S24 Ultra will come with 12GB of RAM and either 256GB, 512GB, or a whopping 1TB of storage. The Galaxy S24 Ultra has been cited on multiple benchmarking websites over recent months, with a 16GB model listed. With only 12GB of RAM listed globally, there is speculation within the community about the potential impact of this reduced RAM level on performance. When it comes to performance, the key issue is Samsung's decision regarding the chipset for the Galaxy S24 range. In contrast to the Galaxy S23 series, where every handset was powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset, the Galaxy S24 series will feature a blend of the custom Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy from Qualcomm and Samsung's latest Exynos 2400. Historically, Galaxy handsets with Exynos have exhibited slightly lower performance and battery life. While not a significant difference, it is noticeable, particularly for consumers seeking premium experiences. To counterbalance this, every high-end Galaxy S24 Ultra handset will be equipped with a Snapdragon chip, while the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus will feature a combination of Snapdragon and Exynos. The model you receive will depend on your location. We are still awaiting Samsung's distribution decision. Lastly, there's the matter of the launch date. While Samsung has yet to announce details for the next Galaxy Unpacked launch events, January 17th has long been speculated by the community as the launch date for the Galaxy S24 series. This date has been reiterated by several sources throughout December. The most recent confirmation came from renowned tipster Evan Blass, who cited marketing material indicating a launch time of 3 AM KT on January 18th, which translates to January 17th at 10 AM PT and 1 PM ET. As pointed out by Forbes' Jan Hoy McGregor, the marketing material contains the intriguing phrase, "Galaxy AI is coming," which is likely the strongest indication that Samsung will join the trend of integrating AI as the new frontier in smartphone technology in 2024. The earlier-than-usual launch of the next Galaxy S handsets has a ripple effect on the final smartphone in the S23 series. The Galaxy S23 Fan Edition was announced in early October, yet Samsung is already offering substantial discounts on the handset. Mihai Matei reports on the latest offer. Purchases made through Samsung's website will receive a flat $100 discount on the ticket price, reducing the 128GB model to $529 and the 256GB model to $589. Samsung is also offering a trade-in discount of up to $300, depending on the Samsung model you wish to exchange. Samsung will also consider several phones from competitors, including Google Pixels and Apple iPhones. That's it for this video, folks. I hope you had a good time and learned something useful. If you did, please show your support by hitting the like button and leaving a comment below. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications to stay updated on my latest uploads. I post new videos every day, covering topics' latest news about tech and more. So, don't miss out on any of the fun and adventure. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.